If you're wondering how to make money from cryptocurrency right now, then this video will show you a guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency in 2022 in the simplest ways. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets. The name comes from the fact that all transactions are highly encrypted and exchanges are very secure. It is decentralized in nature, unlike traditional currencies that are managed and controlled by a central authority. The number of cryptocurrencies is finite, and they are sometimes equated with precious metals such as gold and silver. At the time of writing, there are over 10,000 cryptocurrencies listed, and this number is sure to grow. Bitcoin has the largest share of the market cap at around $650 billion US, followed by Ethereum and Ether. Every time the cryptocurrency market hits new highs and then retreats, the public assume it is dead. As long as there are people willing to buy Bitcoin, and there are still many, crypto isn't dead. The recent cryptocurrency boom peaked on November 10, 2017 when Bitcoin hit $69,044 from its previous peak of $19,783 on December 17, 2017. Cryptocurrencies are actually gaining popularity in developing countries according to a study by cryptocurrency exchange Gemini. The use cases for crypto are diverse and growing, including trading, internet ownership, transparent finance, and even law evasion. Before continuing this video, welcome to Haven Finance. We give you the latest ideas, tips, and tricks to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. While some people are making huge amounts of money from the crypto space, a higher percentage of people fail miserably to make money from it. Many people end up losing their hard-earned money because they lack the knowledge and skills to make money from cryptocurrencies. In this video, you will learn very easy and reliable ways to make money from cryptocurrencies even for beginners. Let's dive into these powerful and effective methods that you can use to make money from cryptocurrencies. Long-term buy and hold investments can be profitable if done right. However, you have to do your homework. You cannot buy cryptocurrencies and expect to make money. The least risky position is to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum for the long term and invest your average dollar cost in the position. This investing strategy requires one to identify more stable and volatile assets that can shift in value rapidly, resulting in regular profits. Buying altcoins at a lower price and selling them when the price rises to make a profit. Depending on your goals and how fast the altcoins are rising in value, you can buy certain coins and keep them for days, weeks, months, or even years. It is important for investors to consider this before pursuing this strategy. In general, cryptocurrency investors should ensure that their cryptocurrency holdings are part of a diversified portfolio that includes other types of investments. Bitcoin or Ethereum have been very profitable over the last 5 to 6 years. There are no future guarantees, but using the dollar cost averaging strategy should give you an acceptable position cost average. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy that seeks to reduce the impact of market volatility on large purchases. Buy at regular intervals over time instead of making large purchases at once. Intervals can be weekly, monthly, or whatever suits your strategy. The important part is to buy the same amount of dollars in each interval. This strategy involves buying smaller amounts of the altcoins you're investing in when the price increases. If the price is low, buy more tokens. This strategy lowers the overall average price. A good place to start averaging the dollar cost of cryptocurrencies is Gemini and eToro. Before you decide which coin to buy, do some more research on the shortlisted altcoins to make sure they have the potential to rise and make money in the near future. Altcoins need the right use case and everything about the problem the coin was created for and how to achieve it. What makes the coin different from other altcoins? The coin should have a white paper outlining the coin's roadmap. Read the coin's white paper to get an overview of them and the project behind the coin. Trading is the second method you can use to make money from cryptocurrencies. When you trade, you buy and sell altcoins to make money in a short period of time. Traders can make profits in seconds, minutes, hours, days, and sometimes weeks, unlike holding, which can take a long time to make a profit. Traders want relatively quick profits. Trading is recommended for those with experience in the crypto space. This is because making money takes a lot of skill, time, and emotional discipline. Learning crypto trading skills takes time. However, with time and effort, you can learn and master the trade. To make money with cryptocurrencies, you need to master technical analysis. Technical analysis uses chart patterns to predict market direction. Apart from technical analysis, you also need to learn money management skills and trading psychology to be profitable in cryptocurrency trading. Staking is another cool way to make money with cryptocurrencies. Staking allows you to earn additional coins by storing them on exchange or live wallets. The process of cryptocurrency staking is similar to locking assets in a bank and earning interest. Similar to a certificate of deposit, you lock your crypto assets in exchange for rewards or interest from the platform you stake your assets on. The big difference with staking is that you get much higher returns. If you're lucky, traditional banks will pay you around 1% interest. Some banks, including JP Morgan Chase, the largest bank in the United States, pay as little as 0.01%. Staking returns vary depending on the altcoin you stake, but 15% to 20% or more is not uncommon. You can stake your coins in crypto wallets like Trust Wallet. Many exchanges and platforms offer staking with both centralized and decentralized options. You can also stake your coins on exchanges that offer staking services such as Binance. Here are some of the coins you can use: BNB, PIVX, and AV. Another way to make money from crypto assets is to earn dividends. Dividends are small cash payments to shareholders. If a company makes a profit in a quarter or year, it depends on the individual company, but they carve out those profits and give them back to the company's property or shareholders. The exciting thing about dividends is that you don't have to bet any coins to win them. Holding coins for a certain amount of time will grant you additional coins. Coins that pay dividends to their holders include Qcoin, Neo, CEFF, COS, VeChain, Redcoin, Navcoin, Decred, and Komodo, and their annual dividends vary widely. Therefore, crypto dividends differ from stock dividends in that they pay additional tokens instead of cash. You can also lend cryptocurrencies and earn interest through centralized and decentralized lending platforms. It is essentially a borrower and a lender, an agreement between them. There are several platforms that allow cryptocurrency lending, including Nexo, Outlending, BlockFi, Oasis, and Celsius. A cryptocurrency loan involves an agreement in which the borrower provides a cryptocurrency held as collateral, the lender accepts terms and provides cash or another cryptocurrency, and the borrower pays interest to the lender. As centralized lending platforms work like a traditional bank. They deposit crypto into their platform and pay interest on your balance. Before depositing cryptocurrencies, we recommend checking if you pay compound interest. Compound interest is interest earned on the original principal plus accrued interest. Some lending platforms pay interest only on principal. You should check if they're paying interest on the cryptocurrency and if the cryptocurrency is locked for a period of time. BlockFi and Celsius are two major centralized lending platforms. It is possible to lend out crypto assets or holdings and in return earn income in the form of additional crypto assets through interest payments. Of course, this is not without risk, and researching platforms that match potential borrowers and lenders can take time. But again, if you're looking for a way to make extra money with cryptocurrencies working, borrowing is an avenue worth considering. The overall best way to make money from cryptocurrencies is to invest in the best altcoins as soon as possible. If you invested in Bitcoin when the digital currency was first launched in 2009, you would have paid a tiny fraction of 1 cent. Similarly, when Ethereum was released in 2015, it was trading at just 0.75 per token. Both of the above projects are currently worth thousands of dollars and have since generated significant profits. And lastly, always diversify your portfolio. It's simple. A diversified portfolio increases profit potential, but also reduces the risk of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Recent trends suggest that cryptocurrency prices could drop dramatically, exposing you to unnecessary risk. And that'll be it for this video. We hope you enjoyed and got something out of it. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you guys in the next video.